Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today, we will just be doing another update on my 1960 DeSoto Adventurer by Johan. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so first off, we have the body of the car. Look at this. Here, let me take it off the stand. So what I've done all the chrome on the car. Like, look at how shiny that is. Same, I did the Adventurer logo with chrome. I did the rear logo with chrome. Did around the taillight section. All down there too. Oh my gosh, why is it not focusing? There we go. I did the door handle as well. Up around the windshield. And back there. I'm really happy with how this turned out. What I used was, oh, where are they? I used these chrome pens. I think I showed this in a video before on my last update. If you haven't watched that one already, you should. Yeah, Fly C chrome paint marker. I think this might be better than, what are they called? Molotov chrome pens? They look like, cause, I mean, at least from the photos that I've seen, Molotov chrome pens don't really look like chrome. Like, they have this kind of yellow hint to it. Yeah, but I mean, I have bare metal foil as well, but I mean, I think I might be leaning toward the chrome paint marker. I mean, let me know down in the comments if you like bare metal foil better or chrome paint markers and why. And maybe after a month or so, we'll do a vote and we'll tally them up and we'll see which is the preferred item of choice for chrome. Okay, anyways. Aside from that, we got the hood. I did a second coat on this, and I just chrome painted that little, like, emblem right there. Pretty sweet. Also, I chromed the taillights, because they're actually like that on the car. Like, look at that chromium. Very nice. Did that for both. It's gonna look pretty sweet. Yep. I think I showed this in the last video. The dashboard. And then I also just touched up the bottom where it was cut off the sprue with that chrome paint stuff. And lastly, the interior. So what happened was I had to strip the paint with this stuff called Super Clean. I'll pop an image up right now. So yeah, I did that, and then I'll show you the steps right now. So what happened was that I had to scrub off the so I had to let it sit in the Super Clean for like 4 hours, and then I had to scrub it off with dish soap, warm dish soap water. And as you can see through the white paint, not all of it came off. But it should get covered up with the paint that I'm gonna spray on it in a bit, which is, again, this pearl green. I'm just doing I'm not covering the entire body or entire interior tub. I'm just doing this piece right here. And these little pieces right here. These little squares. And then all the green pieces are just masked off because those are going to stay white. Because I'm trying to go for a 3-tone interior with this color, the white, and this color, British green. So that's going to be the main color. I think those clash pretty well with the white. Beautiful contrast. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it looks cool. Alright, so that's it for today. So, again, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on then the post notifications to get notified when I make another video. And let me know down in the comments whether you think bare metal foil is better or chrome paint markers are better. And why. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.